everyone, welcome to Kavita's Portal. In today's video, we are going to see how to work with SurveyMonkey. See, many of you for your research, you may be using Google Form for collecting the response. But today we are going to see how to use SurveyMonkey. Okay, we all know it is again a tool which is available online for conducting our survey. So in order to access the SurveyMonkey, go to the surveymonkey.com. Okay. So when you see the screen, there are n number of options available. What are the various products they have, their solutions, their resources, and plans and pricing. See, mostly they have different plans for your business and also for personal, but the basic version is free. Okay, so the basic plan they have is free. Whereas your standard monthly plan or standard annual plan, advantage plan, senior plan, each one may cost you different amount. So that is up to you. If you want to go with the paid version, you can go for it. But I am going to show you only a basic plan. Okay, how it will work. So the first step is you have to sign up. So click on sign up. So you have to give your own username and password. Give your mail ID, first name, last name. Just create account. You click on it, your account will be created. So since already I have created an account, I am not showing it. You can directly create an account. Okay, or even you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, okay, or LinkedIn or whatever it is. So now suppose if I have created my account, how I will log in is, so just you log in, give your username and password, then log in. So this is my dashboard. This is just a sample SurveyMonkey account I have created for displaying you, okay, how it works. So as soon as you log in, there is an option for creating the survey. So you just click on create survey. Like in our Google form, we have few of the templates available, right? The same way here also you have some of the templates. So that easily you can use the template, already built-in questions will be there, you can just select it and do it. Okay. Or if you want, even you can start from the scratch. Or suppose already you have your past survey, questions are available, you can just copy paste it from there also. It may be in a Word file, you can copy paste. Okay. So there are different options available for you. So let me show you how do you create your survey using a template. Because it's very simple, right? So there are n number of, it's not like a Google form, maybe we have only few variants, whereas in SurveyMonkey you have n number of different survey templates already. Inbuilt survey forms are available. You can choose whichever you wanted. Okay. So let me show you a simple example, maybe like a customer satisfaction survey template. So if you choose it will describe you about the particular template. What is this template is about? So to tell you your customer's happiness directly influence your company's longevity. Be sure to get the feedback directly from the people who matters to you. Our customer satisfaction survey template will measure your product value and quality, helping you grasp the opportunities for improvement. And there are 10 questions. These many number of times this particular survey template have been used by different people all over the world. And time which is taking to complete this particular survey is 2 minutes. Okay. And you can just go through what are the questions also. And suppose you feel that, yeah, this is fine, I can use for my survey to know the customer satisfaction. You can just use this template. So click on it. Okay, this I am using as a template. So now this customer satisfaction survey template has been opened. Here there is an option that I can edit. Anything I want to change. I feel that some questions I have to change it, you can do that. So there is an edit option. You can just click on the edit. See here they are saying how likely is it that you would recommend. Instead of this company, I can just say name of my company. Okay, so next way or whatever it is. Okay, whether you will recommend to your friend or colleague, you can save it. Same with the second question. Overall, how satisfied or dissatisfied? If you want to make it change, you can do it. Which are the following words that you use to describe? Okay. So like that, you can go through each of these questions, and if you want to add a new question also, there is a possibility. Okay, that again, if you have in your Word file, you can copy and paste it here. So it is that simple. Okay. So maybe like with this 10 questions, I am finalizing it, so I am just giving done. Okay. Then you can save this. Because once the survey is completed, they will type here. They will just click on done. If you want to change that, that is also possible. You can edit that. Okay. So now I have edited my question. So my first step is designing the survey that I have done. So next you can review how your survey template will look like. So go to next. See, this is my review, how my survey will look like. You can review it, and if you feel that no, some changes you want to make it, you can do it. Now once this is done, I can send it. The next step will be to sending this questionnaire to different people for collecting data. So click on send. Here there is an option. It will ask you whether you want to send the survey form on your own way or you want to target your ideal customer or ideal respondents. And if you want to target the ideal respondents, you have to go for a pay-in version. Okay, you have to pay money for it. So SurveyMonkey will guide you in doing that. Or if you want to do it by yourself, send surveys your way, you can just click here. There again, there are n number of options available. Whether you are going to send it by email or you are going to get some web link that you are going to share it in your WhatsApp, other social media. Okay, or you want to buy the targeted response. You want to post it in social media, share it in Messenger. Okay, so look at the n number of other options are also available. So maybe let me just show you how do I send it by email. Because most of the time the survey form we want to send it by email so that you have that authenticity from which person you have collected that response. So here you can give the mail ID of the person to whom you want to send it. So I'll use this mail ID. And here the subject they have said this, we want your opinion. So instead of that, if you want to change it, okay, that you can change it, or if you want to retain the same, you can retain it. So this is your template. Go to next. So if you want to send this, your sender email ID has to be verified. Okay, only if you have a verified mail ID, you can send it. Since already I have verified, it is showing verified. Otherwise, here it will display that you have to verify your mail ID. First time you are creating, it will be asking you to verify your mail ID. That means you will receive a mail from SurveyMonkey. From there, you have to activate this account. Only then you are allowed to send mail. Okay. So if you want to use any of the advanced features, it is asking you for upgrading. So I don't want anything. I'm just going to send it. So just say next. So whether you want to send it now or you want to schedule it for later, that you can do it. So my from address will be this one, and this mail will be sent from SurveyMonkey.com. Okay, if you want to send a test email, you can send it and test it. Otherwise, you can just say send now. So once you send the mail, generally when you are sending it from the SurveyMonkey, it will take some time to reach the person. Okay, so minimum it will take 3 minutes. Okay, so as soon as the person receives the mail, it will be something like this. We want your opinion. This is what the subject we have mentioned. So I can click on it, and the respondent is going to respond for this. Okay, so just I am responding this. So that was my first question. Then how you are satisfied or dissatisfied and satisfied. Yes, comment. Okay, so now we can just say done. So once you send all the mails and you've received the responses, okay, so you can check it here. So once that is done, you can go and analyze the results. See, now there are 2 people who have answered for my survey. So what is their response? Mostly it is, same response for 100% I am getting it great. So individually I can analyze, but you cannot export this as PDF or XLS file or CSV file or in this case format. For that you have to upgrade it. You have to go for a paid version. Okay, and there are some the basic features. You have a number of restrictions. It will allow you to ask only 10 questions, and 40 responses only you can get it. So all these are the, whereas in our Google form we don't have any such kind of restrictions. But here we have to go for the minimum pricing version, only then the advanced features can be easily accessible. Okay. But the one option is that you can get the data link, you can share it. Okay, that you can access it. If you have the link from anywhere, you'll be able to access that particular data. That option is available. For example, if I'm creating a shared link, you will be getting a link. You can get the link. Then you can save that link. Now the page will reload. This is the way, wherever you have that link, you click it, you will get your results in this format. So this also you can use it whenever you want to present it. Okay, so these are the basic features available. So whatever data I am collecting, it will itself, SurveyMonkey itself will do the basic analysis and will give you the results. Okay. Only if you want to go for any advanced analysis, maybe a correlation, regression, comparing two variables, that time maybe you have to go for a paid version. But if you want to go for only the basic univariate analysis, maybe the basic version of your basic plan free version itself will support you for that. Okay. So I hope you understood how to use SurveyMonkey for creating your survey. Okay. What you have seen is using a template. Same way you have the option for creating it from scratch also. So if your objective is to conduct some survey with minimum maybe some 10 questions just to understand what they feel about or what is their satisfaction level or something like that, that you want to present it only using a univariate analysis, you can go for a basic plan in your SurveyMonkey. Or if you want to go for a bivariate or multivariate detailed analysis where you want to export this data or download this data, then there it is recommended that you go with paid version. Okay, if you want to collect more number of responses also, we have to go for a paid version. Okay, so this is a way a SurveyMonkey can be used by other researchers, either to use a template and do it, or by creating their own survey and they can conduct the survey. Okay, so I hope you all understood how to conduct the survey using SurveyMonkey platform. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.